हेलो एवरीवन दोस्तों, आज अमेज़न के से 3 टॉप प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताने जा रहे हैं जो आपको आगे वीडियो में मिलेगा। तो वीडियो को करते हैं स्टार्ट। पहला है
level with its soft and glare-free light. With a feather touch adjustable design, you can easily control on-off as well as the dimming and color changing features. Let's take a look at some of its light modes. This 3-grade dimming is to modify brightness and match the ambience with colors, and you can change it from cool daylight, which is this, to neutral white to warm white. Amazing, isn't it? Well, there you go guys. This Wipro Garnet 6-wall table lamp is not just any other lamp. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you soon.
Start. This mosquito net measures 200 by 200 by 145 centimeters in size, making it ideal for king or super king sized beds. It is made using a soft, breathable fabric with large zippers for easy entry and exit. This ensures a good night's sleep and easy use. I also like how effortless it is to install and fold. Just a few simple steps and you will be all set. What's more, it is washable, corrosion resistant, doesn't need any support, can be stored in a bag and is extremely portable. This mosquito net is available in different colors and sizes, so you can get the one that you want.
Presenting Milton Executive Lunchbox in the color green. The lunchbox comes in stainless steel and plastic to keep all forms of food hot and fresh. The lunchbox is leak-proof and comes in a soft insulated outer jacket for increased protection. Inside the box, you will find 2 round containers and an oval container. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.